Meteorologist Matthew East here with you as we continue through our Thursday, final day for the month of March, and we have our big storm system beginning to pull on into the region. We'll focus on that for a large portion of today's video. Let's take a look at the highs yesterday. It was a beautiful, beautiful weather day. You had high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and a lot of the Piedmont temperatures got a little warmer as you went further to the south and east. There's your Triad area, high temperatures. I mean, just a gorgeous day. Hard to draw up a better day than what we got to enjoy yesterday. Same story around the entire Charlotte viewing area as well. Just a fantastic, fantastic weather day. Now, this morning it is much, much milder than where we were at this point 24 hours ago. 23 degrees warmer now than at this point during the 5 o'clock hour. In Charlotte, 22 degrees warmer. In Boone, 13 degrees warmer. In Greensboro, you get the idea. It's warmer than what we had yesterday. A lot of 50s, even some 60s on the board. That milder air is now taking up residence ahead of our next incoming storm system. The radar quiet locally, but you look off to the northwest of us, big mass of rain through the Great Lakes region. And then along and ahead of the trailing cold front, big area of rain and thunderstorms through parts of the Mississippi River Valley. A lot of flash flood products and flood products up through parts of the lower Mississippi Valley region. Big thunderstorms still rumbling early this morning through Mississippi and Louisiana. In fact, let's take a look here at one of my favorite places on earth. That is the Mississippi State University campus. That's the junction where all the tailgating festivities take place on football game weekends, and it is raining heavily there in much of Mississippi this morning. Here's the high-resolution modeling. As we go through the day, you have this morning wave of activity that kind of works eastward and tries to die out as it does so, and then watch the renewed development back here late in the afternoon. That is what will fuel today's primary severe weather threat. More on that in a moment. Notice as we get into this evening and tonight, the shower chances really increasing across the Carolinas. Certainly a few showers a possibility today, but definitely tonight, the rain chances on the increase. Now, here's your day one severe weather outlook. An enhanced risk for places like Starkville, Tupelo, Memphis, Huntsville, near Birmingham, up to Nashville. And it could be some significant tornadic activity in parts of that region, depending on how the atmosphere behaves today. Certainly some very large hail and some damaging winds a possibility. And notice those thunderstorm chances extending further to the east of the Carolinas. A slight risk is even into the western tip of North and South Carolina as this activity develops eastward tonight. And then tomorrow's greatest severe weather threat suppressed to the south of the Carolinas, but there could be a few stronger severe storms as tomorrow rolls along. So again, today, a few isolated showers here or there. And then as we get into tonight, that's when you have a pretty good round of some showers and thunderstorms moving through. Winds pretty gusty today out of the south. Maybe some gusts over 30 miles per hour, and the winds really stay pretty active for us right on through tonight as well. It's going to be a warm day. Look at these highs this afternoon. Very, very warm across the region as a whole. Now, tomorrow, kind of a tricky forecast. You notice the wave of thunderstorms that moves in late tonight moves over toward the coast, and it might actually be a relatively quiet day for a lot of the day, but then one final piece of energy probably brings us a quick hit of some rain Friday night that's gone in time for a dry weekend forecast. But there's your highs tomorrow. Pretty warm. Again, we'll have to see. There's just not a lot out there in the atmosphere to trigger thunderstorms, it doesn't look like, during the day tomorrow before that final wave of activity moves through. But you notice by 8 o'clock Saturday morning, we're in good shape. Much, much drier air taking hold across the region. Rain total still over an inch now in many spots on the European model. GFS is a little lighter. But you get the idea. It looks like a pretty good rain event. Now let's take a look what's happening in the upper levels. This is the chart for this morning. There's the main trough, little piece of energy left behind. We go out to Saturday morning, and that's when the whole trough finally buckles through the region. And then kind of active next week with the disturbances. There's one disturbance Tuesday morning, another one on its heels. It gets here late in the week. That's Thursday evening. Before I show you the precipitation charts here, there's the 5,000-foot temperatures off the European model this Sunday morning. And you can see that shot of some cooler air moving in behind the incoming storm system. That'll probably knock our high temperatures Sunday down toward the lower 60s, maybe some 30s for lows Sunday morning and Monday morning. And then an even more impressive shot of cooler weather. This is by Tuesday evening, so we're looking at highs Tuesday, maybe Wednesday too, in the 50s, probably a freeze for a lot of us on Wednesday morning. And then maybe even a more significant shot of chilly air that gets here by the end of the week and the following weekend. So let's go to the precipitation charts. Here's the GFS model. This is today's precipitation, just some hit or miss showers, but certainly the shower and storm chances increasing this evening and continuing tonight as that system rolls on in. And then again tomorrow, still the chance of a few showers and storms, but it'll probably be tomorrow night when we get this final wave of activity to move on through the region. Now we get to midweek. This is the chart, the surface chart for Wednesday morning. High pressure overhead. So it looks like a pretty cold start to the day. There's the GFS low temperatures on Wednesday morning. We get another disturbance through here by Thursday. Another shot of chilly weather behind it eventually. Now this is a look at Friday morning's lows. And then Saturday morning's lows off of the GFS computer model. So pretty chilly stuff overall. And I certainly think there's the chance for additional frosts and freezes here across the Carolinas over the next 10 days. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.